Friends, hello! In this video, as I promised, I will tell you how to get rid of ants on your property. With the help of a simple yet very effective remedy, because ants in the garden cause a lot of damage. Specifically, they spread aphids to all possible plants in your garden. And aphids, as you know, very quickly destroy new growth, causing the plant to die. Watch the video and see the real effect of this remedy, prepared as follows. Recently, I told you about boric acid and how I used it to fertilize my tomatoes. If you haven't seen it, visit my channel and take a look. Also, boric acid is a very effective remedy for eliminating ants. Boric acid looks like white crystals and it only dissolves in hot water. Take 1 teaspoon and add it to a small container. Then pour a little bit of boiling or very hot water and stir until the crystals are completely dissolved. As you can see, there are no crystals, the boric acid has dissolved and the water has become cloudy. And here I will give you an effective tip. If the water was not hot enough, then do the following. Pour boiling water into a larger container and place the container with boric acid inside it. This way, the container with boric acid will heat up quickly and the boric acid will dissolve rapidly. Additionally, to attract the ants to the solution, add 1 teaspoon of sugar and mix well until the sugar is completely dissolved. You should get a consistency like this. If the consistency is just too thick, add a little water. If it is simply too thin, add another spoonful of sugar and boric acid. And mix thoroughly. Now I very carefully take a regular bottle cap, place it near the small ant nest and fill it with the bait. As you can see, you don't have to wait long. Ants quickly detect it and come to taste it because they really love sweets. And in approximately 5 minutes, there will be a long line of worker ants near this bait. Now they will eat it, and then they will carry pieces of it to the ant nest and feed the queen ant. And after some time she will die, and with her the entire ant nest. Now I want to tell you about one nuance. If you add much more boric acid, the ants will eat this bait and die immediately, without bringing it to the ant nest. The queen ant will remain alive, and the ants will stay on your property. And if you use less boric acid, the ants won't eat it and will continue to run around your property for a long time before eventually dying, because boric acid affects their stomach. It dries it out and the ants die. So follow these proportions that I have given you and you will see how the entire ant nest on your property will quickly die within 1 day. How did it happen? I made this bait and by the evening there wasn't a single ant near the ant nest. Here's another tip for you. If there are pets, chickens, geese, or cats and dogs on your property where the ant nest is and where you will be placing the bait, it's better to cover the bait with something. For example, with a brick so they don't have access to it because they can also be harmed. And ants are very small. They will indeed even find a way under the brick and feed on it. So friends, follow the recipe and the rules I have explained to you. I wish you a good day and see you in the next videos.